There he goes.
Cops messing around on the job. Look at him, he's just playing while he should be doing his job.
There goes the car speeding past Bangle, and there goes him in his little circles. Tell the camera what he was doing earlier.
He's practicing going with no hands or something.
So he can show his dumb friends what he does. Okay. Hello? She's not gonna take a message. Thanks. Bye. Duh, why'd I thank her? I said thank you. Whitney, we're calling. Thanks for calling. Goodbye. Didn't he go away really fast now? Turn around.
Here he goes again. What is he doing now?
Oh my!
What is... What is he, surfing or something?
I'm so done recording this.
He's surfing. Ooh, surf away, yeah.
My hat. He just went. Oh.